Hi, dear children. Now we will come to a very important finding. See, this is when there is only one coil. So you have this, and then with the commutator, this one won't be there. It will go up to be positive. It will go up, and all this will be up. So 0 and say 12 volt. 0 and 12 volt to charge a battery. Say, okay, now see here now. See here. This is one plane. This is one plane. The coil are wound 50 tons on this, 50 tons on this. Now, what will happen when I rotate? See, when I rotate, this one will be 0 voltage, right angle to the field, right angle to the field. This one will be 12 volts, say, this one 12 volt. Okay, now when this one come here, now this will be maximum 12 volt and the previous one will be 0. So see, here is the beauty. So now, if you have a commutator A1, B1, not like here. Here is only 1 and 2. But here there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 are connected to this, 2 are connected to this, 2 are connected to this. So when you rotate, you know what will you get? See. Because this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree behind the other, so this one will be, see, look here, see, look here, see, one is due to the original one I have shown you, and one is this two. This is one, this is, so this is one, see, and this has become now almost 12 volt, little, 12 volt, 10, 12 volt, 10, see? And if you have many, you are getting a straight voltage. So this is the one. Now I will show here, see? This is the thing. See? Focus on it. See, these are the coil. Okay, A1, and here is a generator, a dynamo with many slots. That ring is made into, say, 12 rings, 12 commutator, diametrically opposite. So here, this is a dynamo. This is the real dynamo. This is the book from Wireless Telegraphy, 1938. It is a British book. So this is a dynamo, and here is the commutator. See, this commutator. Not only 4, not only 2. There are about 12 or 13 diametrically opposite. So now you understand the dynamo. Now we'll come to the IIT problem. IIT problem also deal with flux. So here, see, this is Z, this is Y, this is X. And the field is E0X. What is E0X? It means the magnitude is E0 and X is the direction from here to this, all the field. Now, what will be the flux? See, the flux, the area, see, you can see A, 0A, 0A, 0, 0, 0, 0. These are the coordinates of the line. And this one, if you look at this, you will understand that this is not A square. A into A is not. Why? A into A will be A square if it is here. If it is on the YZ plane, then it will be A square, and the field will be, the flux will be E0 into A square. But this is inclined. When it is inclined, I have told you in trigonometry, the projection is not A square. It will be less than A square. Remember that. Only that you remember, you'll not make mistake. This is inclined. Had it been this, then E naught x into E naught into a square. But now this is inclined, so this projection. What is this projection? I tell you, you don't need to worry. IIT questions are the most beautiful question. IIT, JEE, West Bengal Board, Punjab, and then Karnataka, they are beautiful questions. See here. The flux is number one, 2e naught a square. Number 2, root 2 e naught a square. Number 3, e naught a square. Then number 4, e naught a square by root 2. Okay, number 1, study number 1. Don't take your paper and write and then calculate. That one, only this NEET people will be so cruel to give you such question. Just use your physics concept. 2e naught a square. How can it be? The maximum area is this. This is what incline. So this is out. It cannot be twice e naught a square. This one. Root 2 e naught a square. Okay, root 2 is 1.4. So 1.4 is more than 1. So this is not the one. And here, E is equal to E naught a square. This will be correct had this plane not inclined like this. Had it been straight, then it will be E naught. So this out, this out, this out. Now this one, E naught a square by root 2. What is root 2? 1.4. So E naught a square by 1.4 is less than E naught a square. So you take number 4. See, you don't need a pen, a paper and calculate 2-3 minutes, then you'll be sweating, they'll be nervous. These are the beautiful physics concept of IIT question. So with that, I will stop. So you have seen, you have learned the beauty of trigonometry, the beauty of differential calculus. So we'll stop here. Next time I'll come to another topic, which is not this. It will be a different topic, say on dipole moment or on something of the sort. So good night.